Disclaimer. The information presented in this content is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content provided does not constitute professional financial guidance. Before undertaking any project or investment, it is essential to conduct your own due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor. The ideas presented here are intended to inspire and educate on potential opportunities for achieving financial freedom. Each individual's financial situation is unique, and all decisions should be made based on personal circumstances and risk tolerance. We do not guarantee any specific results or outcomes from implementing the strategies discussed in this content. Welcome to our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love our content. Are you intrigued by the financial potential AI holds but unsure of where to start? In this detailed guide, we'll explore various avenues of profiting from AI tools that you already know, use, and love. Think ChatGPT, Bard AI, Jasper, and more. Whether you're a seasoned developer, an ambitious entrepreneur, a savvy investor, or simply an AI enthusiast, this guide will help you uncover lucrative opportunities that AI presents. Let's dive into the various ways you can make money with machine learning and artificial intelligence-powered content generators. 1. Become a freelance copywriter. With AI copywriting tools, even the not-so-experienced writers can craft highly persuasive sales copy. 1. Utilize built-in templates like Quest, Feature to Benefits, IDA, and more to create unique marketing angles effortlessly. 2. Start an AI-powered blog. Leverage AI writers like Jasper, Jarvis AI, to have the equivalent of 5 content writers working for you 5 days a week. 2. Starting a blog is one of the best ways to make money with AI tools as you build a passive income stream that generates revenue for years to come. Before you start, research a blog niche that is less competitive, with considerable keywords and topics that AI writing tools can handle. Aim for topics that are general enough to avoid excessive editing. 1. Offer Pinterest descriptions on Fiverr. Writing optimized Pinterest descriptions can be a challenge for bloggers. 1. Leverage AI tools like Niches or Jasper AI's dedicated Pinterest title and description template to provide Pinterest description writing services on platforms like Fiverr. 2. Get paid to do keyword research. If data excites you, consider becoming a keyword researcher using AI keyword research tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Phrase AI, or WriterZen. 2. Clients pay you to identify relevant topics they can easily rank for. 3. Become a product description writer. Many AI tools have intuitive product description generators. 3. Offer product description writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork using tools like Jasper AI and ContentBot. 4. Create and sell PLR digital products. PLR info products are digital products that are licensed for reuse or even resell. 4. Use AI tools to create articles, ebooks, video scripts, and more. 4. Bundle short PLRs together to create enticing offers for potential customers. 5. Create and sell swipe files. Empower marketers and entrepreneurs with swipe files created using AI tools like Jasper. 5. Offer ready-to-use templates for email outreach, social media copy, Facebook ads, and more. Part 2. Building AI-powered platforms and tools. 1. Building AI-powered platforms and tools. For tech-savvy problem solvers, developing AI solutions could be profitable. 1. Businesses seek innovative AI tools to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. 1. Create AI-driven tools for data analysis, customer service, or marketing automation, and offer them as SaaS products for recurring revenue. 2. Invest in AI companies. Profit from the AI revolution by investing in AI companies with unique AI-based solutions. 2. Stay informed on industry trends and perform due diligence for potentially rewarding investments. Part 3. Leveraging AI for business and consultation. 1. Use AI for web design. AI-powered website builders like Elementor AI and Mixo make building a site easier. 1. Non-tech-savvy website owners can benefit from AI-generated website copy, while tools like ChatGPT and Bard AI assist in generating functional code. 2. Create online courses using AI, Generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory AI make course creation faster and easier. 2. Use AI to plan course outlines, write lesson scripts, and even create marketing and promotion content. 3. Start an AI-powered business. Leverage existing AI technologies to enhance your business operations. 3. AI can be used for personalized recommendations in e-commerce or AI-powered route planning for logistics companies, among other applications. 4. Consult on AI implementations. Guide businesses on leveraging AI effectively. 4. Help them understand AI capabilities, choose the right technologies, and manage AI projects, turning your expertise into a profitable consulting service. Making money with AI is not a distant dream. It's a reality you can be part of. Whether you're leveraging your skills, starting an AI-powered business, or investing in AI companies, there's an opportunity for you to profit from this transformative technology. So keep learning, stay curious, and seize the opportunities that come your way in the ever-evolving AI landscape. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love our content. We are a new channel, so it will greatly help us reach more people to enable them to dream and have their own ideas to achieve financial freedom.